think we can leave at any time.
आज एक बार और आ गया हूँ आपके साथ एक नई जगह पे एक नए वीडियो के साथ। आज आपको मैं बताने वाला हूँ इस ड्यूक की क्या स्पेशलिटीज़ है और क्यों ड्यूक इज़ वन ऑफ द लार्जेस्ट सेलिंग बाइक इन इंडिया।
If you're not coming out to play, just say, okay, do I bring you dismay?
तो चलिए देखते हैं एक एक करके कि क्या है इस बाइक के अंदर जो इसको बनाता है खास, स्पेशल, जिसके कारण ये बाइक इतनी ज़्यादा बिकती है। शायद ये आपके यंगस्टर्स में सबसे ज़्यादा बिकने वाली बाइक है। तो शुरुआत करते हैं। सबसे पहले इसका ये लुक, ये इसको खास बनाता है और इसके लुक के अंदर कई सारी खास बातें हैं। एक तो बहुत ही यंग और स्पेशल लुक है। सेकंड, बिल्ड क्वालिटी इसकी काफ़ी शानदार है और हर महीने में ये बिल्ड क्वालिटी के हर पैरामीटर पे पूरा उतरता है। तो चलिए आपको आगे बताता हूँ कि इसके अलावा क्या क्या खूबियाँ हैं जिसके कारण ड्यूक इज वन ऑफ द बेस्ट बाइक इन इंडिया। तो सबसे पहले आते हैं इसके फ्रंट टायर प्रोफाइल पे। फ्रंट टायर इज 110 1770 और ये बहुत ग्रिपियर लुक देते हैं। मेरे जो टायर्स हैं ये टायर उससे भी खास हैं बिकॉज मैंने पिरेली लगा रखे हैं, लेकिन इवन इफ यू हैव अ स्टॉक टायर इट हार्डली मैटर्स। द रियर टायर्स आर इवन बेटर. These are 150 70 17 tires. Actually I have Michelin's tire which is a radial one and it provides wonderful wet and dry grip and you can drive anywhere, anywhere, wherever you want to ride, and whether it's wet condition or dry condition, these tires provide excellent grip, and somewhere when you brake and when you actually require these tires to perform, they almost outperform almost all other tires which are there. This KTM engine is again special. It is a 200cc engine producing 26.5 bhp and almost 22 Newton meters of torque, and this engine is capable of providing outstanding results. This engine actually performs in almost all conditions, and I have actually tried to conquer every kind of terrain, and these engines were able to perform in almost all conditions. And these radiators provide cooling to my engine and you can drive on and on for longer hours. This does not heat up. Actually the main problem with 390 is that engine is it heats up a lot and may create problems sometimes, but this Duke 200 is wonderful, and that is why it's way more practical and it's way more interesting. This petrol tank has a capacity of 10 liters, almost 9.5 liter, but usable is only 8 liters, and somewhere if you want to use, you cannot use more than 8 liters, but even then it provides a mileage of almost 30 kilometers per hour, and that with that mileage you always have a range of 240 kilometers, and that does not decrease even in mountain conditions, and that is something which is very, very special. This suspension is WP suspension, which is inverted fork, and it provides wonderful feedback, although it's on a steeper side, but somewhere because of that it provides excellent stability on the roads, and that makes Duke stand out from all other bikes, and that is why this suspension is very, very special. This meter console is extra informative. It has almost all the details. Here it shows the gear in which you are traveling. This is the speed. It shows petrol that you have in your bike, the quantity of petrol. This is average distance covered, and this is for how long you are riding that bike, and there are variety of other information which is there in this small but very informative console. Actually has almost all kinds of information that you require. total kilometers, it has a trip meter, it almost has everything else. अभी तक मैंने आपको बताया कि क्या क्या इसके पॉजिटिव्स हैं. दिस बाइक इज स्पेशल इन मेनी वेज. इसके चलने और बाकी सब चीज़ों के बारे में बताने के पहले बताना चाहूँगा कि क्या चीज़ इसकी ऐसी है जो शायद अलग अलग राइडर्स को अलग अलग तरीके से प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट करती है. एंड द मेन थिंग दैट क्रिएट्स अ प्रॉब्लम फॉर द राइडर्स is its seat. This seat is very very hard and you actually need to modify it to make it useful so that you can ride on this bike. Drawback that this bike has is when you go near and if you can see, these pieces are very very fragile, and what actually happens is if a stone or something hits it, even this is going to break, or if bike falls, even then these are going to break, and during rides this becomes a real nuisance. You won't like to have such fragile elements in your bike, and usually you are afraid when you travel because you need to carry all these materials. This brake pedal, that too is very fragile, although this one is better than the previous one that I had. But when you travel at that time, you actually need to carry another piece with you. All these pieces actually, at least 3-4 elements, because they break very easily. This one also, the gear lever and the brake pedal which is on the other side, and then these pieces, because last time when I went to Munchiari, okay, this particular piece, this whole piece broke, and that gave me nightmare. I didn't know how would I return, but I somehow managed to return, and that is why I suggest every Duke rider to carry these pieces when they are on a long ride, because it is very very important for it. इस बाइक में मैंने अपने लिए थोड़ी कुछ एडिशंस कराया है जिससे मेरी बाइक बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ी हो जाए. आपको दिखाता हूँ कि क्या क्या ऐसे एडिशंस हैं जो मैंने कराया है जिसके कारण दिस बाइक स्टैंड्स आउट. वो खास एडिशंस हैं. एंड दीज हैंड बार्स आर वेरी वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. एक्चुअली दीज आर अवेलेबल ओनली विथ 390 Duke, but I have what I have done, I have modified my bike, and you may have a look at the handlebar that I have got. This handlebar is used in Duke 390. So I replaced my original stock handlebars with these bars, and then I have installed these hand guards for myself, and that gives an elegant look to my bike. I have this special floodlights to light the road better. I have got this special sticker. The rear tire flip is painted in golden to make it look even better, and you might have a look. This golden look help my bike stand out, and I have also painted this this brake oil cover. That lid is painted specially to make it look good. These are special stickers that I have used with my bike, and that makes my bike look different. I have always also used these stickers on my suspension, and that also helps it stand out. Special seats, these are these are special covers, and I have used some extra foam here to make my seat comfortable so that I can ride long distances without troubling me much. आपके लिए ये जानना बहुत ज़रूरी है ये बाइक नॉर्मल कंडीशन में कितना एवरेज देती है. Usually it provides an average of almost 35 km/h. Initially I used to take even 40 kilometers sometimes, but if you ride at 60 km or 70 km/h. But usually in normal conditions it provides 35 kilometers. When you go for big rides, at that time this bike provides an average of almost maybe 30 to 35, but that is fairly good. I already told you that tank range is almost 240 to 50 kilometers, and that is fairly sufficient. It provides excellent pickup, and pickup is next to none. You know, no 200cc bike can even compete, can even come near this particular bike. It is so capable, and it has excellent torque, excellent speed. It can go as high as 137, 138 kilometers per hour. If you get its speed limits removed, and if there is no speed limiter, then this bike can, you know, reach as high as 155 to 160 kilometers per hour. You know, but that is damaging maybe, and that is not allowed also by RTO. So somewhere not ideal to remove this speed limiter. It's not you know, advisable. It provides excellent brakes, and the brakes has great bite in it, and you can stop in almost all conditions. So excellent handling, excellent braking, excellent pickup, excellent average, excellent feedback, excellent safety. Almost in all parameters except one or two areas, this bike excels in almost all fields, and that is why I recommend Duke to all the riders. Next time I'm going to come up with another review. Maybe I'll compare it with another very popular bike, that is the Royal Enfield Classic 350, and I'll compare these two and will tell you why are these bikes so popular. I hope you like this episode, and I hope you must have enjoyed this information. If this information is useful, please do hit like. Thank you for spending time. We'll see you with the next part soon.
Free beer at the Broadatorium, free samples, it's the grand opening. Free beer means money we can leave at any time. You don't want to, so you say. I keep texting all the day. Free beer at the Broadatorium, free samples, it's the grand opening. Free beer means